Hi, and welcome to the LB0 Fox India YouTube channel. I'm Morton, LB0 Fox India. And today we're going to do a little bit of a Parks on the Air experiment. The last time I was out here at Park Lima Alpha 2532 Fredrikstad Festning, I used QRP and a hamstick. And I'm at the same location in the park. I got the same equipment, the same hamstick, the same X6100, but I got a little bit of an addition. I got an amplifier today, just to see what kind of difference that makes. It's the same time of day, as I said, and band conditions are actually a little bit worse today, so it'll be exciting to see what difference it makes. And at the end of the video, we'll compare the maps, the QSO maps for the two activations, and see if an amp really makes that much of a difference. It'll be fun to see, so please hang on. CQ Parks on the air, 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 CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India, Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India, calling CQ Parks on the air for Park Lima Alpha 2532, Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India, calling CQ Parks on the air, Park Lima Alpha 2532. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India, calling CQ Parks on the air, Park Lima Alpha 2532. Listening for any calls. Kilo Echo 8, Kilo Mike X-Ray QSL.
QSL, you are a 3 into West Virginia.
Thank you for the 3 and 3 into West Virginia. You are a 44, 4x4, 44 here in southern Norway. Park Lima Alpha 2532 QSL.
Enjoy your activation. The best of today at
73, and thanks for the QSO. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India.
Sierra Papa 7, Sierra Zulu Charlie.
Sierra Papa 7, Sierra Zulu Charlie QSL.
Sierra Papa 8, Quebec Charlie.
Sierra Papa 8, Quebec Charlie. Good morning, Andy, or good afternoon, more correctly. 5 and 7 today, over. 7-3, thank you for the QSO. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India.
Mike 0, Hotel Quebec Oscar.
Mike 0, Hotel Quebec Oscar QSL.
Yeah, that's right. You're 5 and 9 in Pickering.
Roger. Just confirming the calls on Mike 0, Quebec Hotel Oscar QSL.
Yeah, affirmative. Mike 0, Hotel Quebec Oscar.
Mike 0, Hotel Quebec Oscar. Okay, I typed it wrong here. Hotel Quebec Oscar, and that's Pete, correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Roger. You're about a 5 and 5 today. 5 and 5, over.
Yeah, thanks for the 5 and 5. You're 5 and 9 to the Oscar.
Roger. Thank you for hunting, and 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Park to park. Come again. Park to park. Only park to park, please.
QSL, my call sign 2 Echo 0, Hotel Papa India, portable. 2 Echo 0, Hotel Papa India, portable, QSL.
QSL, Carl. You're about a 5 and 8. 58 here today, over.
58 also, and my park levels, they have 3 park numbers, Golf 0023, Golf 0209, and Golf 0343, QSL.
Okay, I got the first one. You got to go a little bit slower for me there, but let me have the 2 last parks there, Carl, over.
Yes, it is Golf 0209, 0209, and the last one is 0343.
Yeah, Golf 0343 on the last one, QSL.
Yes, QSL, that is correct, over.
Roger. Thank you for the park to park, and good luck on your 3 for there, Carl. 7-3.
Yeah, thanks, mate. Really appreciate that, and have fun there with the activation. 7-3, mate, too.
7-3, QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India.
Golf number 6, Bravo, Florida, Papa.
Golf 6 Bravo Florida Papa QSL.
Roger, QSL. QSL, you're a lovely 5x8. 5x8. Very good signal. Name is Lee. Lima Echo Echo. From Gulf 6, Bravo, Florida, Papa.
Thank you, Golf 6, Bravo, Florida, Papa. You're about a 5 and 5, 55, 55 here, over.
Roger, thank you for the 5 and 5, and thank you for the activation. Best 73s, have a great afternoon. From Gulf 6, Bravo, Fox, Papa.
7-3, QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima, Bravo, 0, Foxtrot, India. Mike 0, Tango, Tango, Quebec. Stuart, about a 5 and 1 today. Only Mike 0, Tango, Tango, Quebec. Only Mike 0, Tango, Tango, Quebec. Roger, you're about a 5 and 1, 51, 51 here, so not very strong today, but thank you for hunting, Stuart. 7-3, QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima, Bravo, 0, Fox, India. Romeo, Quebec, Lima. Come again, please.
Yeah, Golf 0, Romeo, Quebec, Lima, Morton.
Roger, Golf 0, Romeo, Quebec, Lima. 5 and 9 today, Don.
Roger. Thanks for the 5-9, Morton. You're 5 and 7. 57. Noisy band, but 5 and 7. And thank you for the activation. Thanks for the park, Morton. Have a good afternoon. 7-3 from Golf 0, Romeo, Quebec, Lima. Bye-bye.
7-3, QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima, Bravo, 0, Fox, India. Victor America 1, Sierra Echo Alpha, their Canadian station. Good morning, Tom. About a 5 and 5, 55 here today, over. Roger, all fantastic 5 and 5 in Nova Scotia. Excellent. Always a pleasure having you hunting me. 7-3 there. So, does an amplifier making a difference when operating parks on the air or any other portable mobile operations? Or more correctly, does the extra oomph making a difference? And I am tempted to say yes. But I'm not really sure, except for the first contact in the log from West Virginia and the second contact from, not the second, but the second DX contact from Canada. My map looks almost the same as it did the last time. It might have made a difference on the 2 DX stations, but it doesn't really matter with a lot of power as long as you can't hear the other station though. So I'm not really sure. Anyway, it does make a little bit of difference. Is it worth the extra power consumption? Is it worth the extra weight and room? I'm not really sure. Sure makes things easier. But what I'd really want to do if I was going portable or mobile, I'd upgrade my antenna. The hamstick for me is kind of a plan B since my 17-foot whip broke. But I'm able to make contacts on it. I even made a couple of really nice DX contacts today. But if the amplifier made the difference, not really sure. Might have been bad conditions. So if QRP is all you got, go for it. You'll get lucky with that as well. And you'll get skilled with QRP. You have to really fine-tune your operating style. So, again, thank you for watching. Hope to see you again on this channel. Hope to see you again down the bands. I'm LB0 Fox India. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, 7-3.